peace and happiness. I like it. It's a great morning. It's a great fucking morning. It's not a great day off because I'm not off. Fucking work at 6. But I'm still here enjoying my day. Man, honestly, looking at my car, looking at how sexy that shit is, and that shit looks fucking beautiful. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck is that shit? Hey, you motherfucker. Hey, you stupid ass head. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Are you serious? Are you fucking serious, dog? Hey, what the fuck are you doing, bro? I fucking had this shit done to me already, alright? People made fun of my car. What the fucker? Oh, you wanna fucking play games?
Mine is big.
Fucking motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker. Fucking motherfucker. Get the fuck up. Okay, hold this shit. Where you doing that shit? Get back in there now. Get the fuck in there. Get the fuck in there. Get the fuck in there, you motherfucker. Get in there. Get in there, motherfucker. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed that stupid ass skit that I just made. You know, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully. Let me know. Comment down below if you did enjoy it. If stop, you fucking dumbass. Get the fuck out of my car. Well, this is not gonna be a fucking skit. Like and subscribe for more. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed it, comment down below. Hope you guys have a great what's today? 4th of July. Be safe. Don't let it crack up your ass. That did not make sense. Just be safe out there. Have a good one, guys. Alright guys, so real quick, so my cousin just got a new car, and if you guys don't know, but he recently got the MK2 Supra, if you guys don't remember. Well, what he did with that, long story short, he sold it. Why he sold it, I don't know why, but he just got a new car, and I don't know what to say. I don't know. Are you gonna show me your actual car, or is this actually your car?
Yeah,
this is actually your car?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's just clean actually.
It's just pretty nice.
Why does it smell like weed in there?
I don't know. Why does it smell like weed? Why does it
Well, why does it, huh? Explain.
It doesn't even smell like weed. You're tripping.
Oh fuck, no, that shit smells like a skunk, bro. Why does that shit smell like weed?
I don't know, cause it probably does, man. Yeah,
damn, son.
But if I want to fucking fish.
I didn't smoke weed. What the fuck are these little containers right there, huh?
That's why I said.
You did smoke weed, huh?
Yeah, last night.
Damn, so you serious?
Yeah.
Damn, it's a big ass fucking.
I know, it feels smooth as fuck though.
Yeah, I bet it does. Alright, that's enough, because I'm gonna smell like weed and then my mom's gonna get me in trouble. What the fuck is all this? What the fuck is all this? Are you serious?
That's all dude.
Are you serious? I don't smoke weed.
That's a lava bomb.
Are you serious? Yeah. Unbelievable. Look.
Nah, fuck you. You're gonna spill that shit in my voice.
Nah, it wasn't. Look.
Yeah, you would. I
still do it, bro.
No way. Fuck you.
Shut the fuck up, dog. Shut up.
camera, bro. Oh, shit.
Well, that was fucking whack.